Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine. In this video, I will be showing you how to sign up Gmail using your email address. So without any further delay, let's get right on the video. So first of all, open your Gmail app, tap on create account and simply tap on for myself. Type your username and your surname. Tap on next. Now fill up these. Now if you want, then you can select these, or you can create your own by just simply typing it there. I will simply use this one. Now tap on next. Now create a password for yourself. Tap next. You can either keep your phone number or not. I'll just keep it right now. Now just tap next. Read all these privacy and terms. Scroll down and tap on the I agree button. Just let it load. And then at the top right corner you can see, tap on it and you can see your account there. Tap on it to log in. So this is it for today. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like these and comment down your thoughts below. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.